Hello everybody, and today I'm going to show you how to make a charge creeper in Minecraft. So you open up Minecraft. It's going to come in a second. So a charge creeper looks really cool. That's why I'm showing how to make it. Go in single player. Create a world. Oh my god. Don't put peaceful, actually. Don't put peaceful. It's just I always put peaceful and I forget. It's actually a lot of things I want to show you guys. Why isn't it doing it? Okay. Normal. Now you want to get a creeper. Channeling Combat Enchantment Book. Mushroom. Oh yeah, a trident. Anvil. And a villager. Oh yeah, a villager and a pig. So, what you're gonna do is get an anvil, put the trident right here, and put an enchantment book right here, so you get this. Then, the charge creepers for last. Put a pig, and you hit it with your trident. Oh yeah, the weather has to be thunder. So you take a pig, and you hit it with your trident, so it turns into a zombie pigman. You take a mushroom, you hit it with your trident, it turns brown. Take a villager, hit it with your trident, turns into a witch. Now the best one, the charge creeper. Take a creeper, hit it with your trident, it's charged. Charge creepers are bad. And the mushroom is really cool when it turns brown. The villager turns into a witch. The pig turns, this is kind of my favorite, to zombie pigman. /game. No, don't do that. No, that's it for the video. Bye.